Welcome to the Azure Serenity Spa. I am Selena.
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Mark.
It is a pleasure to meet you, Mark. Please come inside.
I must admit that I feel a bit out of place here.
Many people feel that way during their very first visit.
My colleagues gave me this voucher because I look exhausted.
Architecture is a demanding field that requires a lot of energy.
How did you know that I'm an architect, Selena?
I noticed the blueprint sketches peeking out of your bag.
I suppose I can never truly leave my work at home.
Today is the perfect day to let those drawings rest.
This bathrobe is much softer than anything I own.
We use high-quality organic cotton for all our guests.
The air here smells like a mix of rain and eucalyptus.
We use a special diffuser to help clear the mind.
I can already feel the tension leaving my tight shoulders.
That is only the beginning of your journey toward peace.
What is the first step of the program today?
We will start with a brief sensory consultation in the lounge.
I am ready to follow your expert guidance, Selena.
Please leave your phone in the secure locker over there.
Giving up my phone feels like losing an extra limb.
Digital silence is the most important part of the cure.
I understand. No emails and no phone calls for 3 hours.
Your mind deserves a break from the constant noise.
I am officially disconnecting from the outside world.
Follow me to the room with the soft golden light.
The floor feels pleasantly warm beneath my feet.
We have an underfloor heating system for maximum comfort.
You have thought of every single detail in this place.
Tell me why you want to learn English. The 3 most interesting comments will get 10 English lessons absolutely free.
Different scents can trigger different emotional responses in us.
I usually only smell coffee and old paper at my desk.
This first bottle contains pure extract of mountain lavender.
That is very calming. It reminds me of a summer meadow.
Lavender is excellent for reducing anxiety and improving sleep.
And what is in this bright orange glass bottle?
That is sandalwood, mixed with a hint of wild ginger.
It smells very spicy and gives me a strange energy.
We call that the invigorating blend for tired professionals.
I think I prefer the first one for a deep relaxation.
A wise choice. Lavender will help settle your busy thoughts.
I can see tiny flower petals inside the oil.
We infuse the oils ourselves, using plants from our garden.
Everything here feels so natural and close to the earth.
We believe that nature provides the best medicine for stress.
My drawings are all about straight lines and cold steel.
Here, we appreciate the organic curves and soft textures.
I am starting to see the world differently already.
That is the goal of our sensory aromatherapy session.
Should I apply the oil directly to my skin?
I will use it during your neck and shoulder treatment.
My neck is definitely the place where I hold all stress.
I can see the tightness in the way you stand, Mark.
I spend too many hours leaning over my drafting table.
We will work on releasing those knots very gently.
I didn't realize how much I needed this until this moment.
Most people wait too long before taking a break.
I will try to visit you more often in the future.
Consistency is the key to maintaining a healthy spirit.
I am ready to move on to the next relaxing step.
This herbal tea is a blend of chamomile and dried pear.
The steam feels very soothing on my tired face.
Drink it slowly and focus on the warmth in your hands.
It has a very delicate and slightly sweet flavor.
We don't add sugar. The sweetness comes from the fruit.
I usually drink my tea while typing on my computer.
Drinking tea should be a dedicated moment of mindfulness.
I am learning that I do everything far too fast.
Slowness is a luxury that we provide to our guests.
The sound of the water pouring is very hypnotic.
It is a natural white noise that masks city sounds.
I can't hear any traffic or sirens in this room.
The walls are soundproofed with natural cork and silk.
No wonder it feels like a different planet in here.
We want you to feel completely safe and protected.
I feel like I'm in a cocoon of warmth and comfort.
That is a perfect description of the Azure Serenity experience.
Is there a specific way I should sit while drinking?
Just keep your spine straight and your feet flat.
I can feel the tea warming me from the inside out.
It helps to detoxify the body and relax the muscles.
I should probably stop thinking about my building project.
Every time a work thought appears, let it float away.
Like a cloud passing over a very clear blue sky.
Precisely. You are becoming a natural at this, Mark.
I am surprised at how quickly I can let go.
You were just waiting for the right environment to relax.
I will have to buy some of this tea for my home.
I will put a small sample in your bag later.
Thank you, Selena. You are incredibly thoughtful.
This bronze bowl comes from a high mountain monastery.
It looks very simple, but feels very heavy and solid.
When I strike it, the vibration travels through the air.
I can feel the sound vibrating in my chest, Selena.
Close your eyes and follow the sound until it fades.
The tone is so deep and stays for a long time.
It helps to synchronize the brainwaves for deep rest.
I feel like I am floating on a calm lake right now.
Sound therapy is a powerful tool for mental clarity.
I usually have a constant hum of ideas in my head.
This frequency will help clear that mental clutter away.
The darkness behind my eyelids is filled with soft colors.
That is your imagination finally having room to breathe.
I haven't felt this peaceful since I was a small child.
We often forget the simplicity of just being still.
The vibration is moving down toward my fingertips now.
It is releasing the static energy from your body.
I feel a light tingling sensation in my palms.
That is a sign that your circulation is improving.
I want this moment to last for a very long time.
We will spend 10 more minutes in this sound bath.
I can hear a soft chime in the distance as well.
Those are the wind harps in our outdoor meditation garden.
Even the wind makes music in this wonderful place.
Nature has its own rhythm if we choose to listen.
I am going to try to be a better listener from now on.
That is a wonderful goal to take back to the city.
I feel like my heavy stress is melting like ice.
You are doing the hard work of letting go, Mark.
I am ready for the final stage of my treatment.
Your skin looks a bit dry from the office air conditioning.
I never really thought about skincare until today.
The skin is our largest organ and needs hydration.
This gel feels very cold and refreshing on my hand.
It contains aloe vera and mineral water from a spring.
It absorbs very quickly without being sticky at all.
Men often prefer this light texture for daily use.
I might actually use this after my morning shave.
It will help to calm any redness or irritation.
I am looking at my reflection and I look different.
Your eyes look much brighter and your face is relaxed.
The dark circles under my eyes have almost disappeared.
A little bit of care goes a very long way, Mark.
I look like I have slept for 10 hours straight.
Deep relaxation is more effective than a short nap.
I will take the cooling gel and the face wash too.
I will prepare a simple routine for you to follow.
Please make it simple. I am not very good at routines.
Just 3 easy steps in the morning and evening.
That sounds manageable, even for a busy architect.
I'm applying a small amount of eye cream now.
It feels like a cool breeze on my tired eyelids.
We use cucumber extract for its soothing properties.
I feel like a completely different person than before.
The transformation is both internal and external.
I am smiling and my face doesn't feel tight anymore.
You have a very kind smile when you're relaxed.
Thank you. I think I have forgotten how to smile lately.
Then our mission today has been a total success.
I am ready to step back into my normal life now. I feel so light that I could almost fly home today.
That is the wonderful afterglow of a deep spa session.
I am standing much taller and my back feels great.
You have regained your natural posture and balance.
I am actually looking forward to my work tomorrow.
Now you can approach your projects with a fresh mind.
I will try to design more spaces that feel like this.
The world needs more buildings that promote peace.
I will use more natural light and soft materials.
That sounds like a beautiful vision for your architecture.
Here is your bathrobe back. I will miss wearing it.
You can always come back and wear it again soon.
I am definitely booking my next session for next month.
I will put you in my calendar for the 3rd Saturday.
I am handing you my phone back. I didn't even miss it.
That is a very big achievement for a modern professional.
I realized that the world didn't end without my emails.
The world can wait while you take care of yourself.
I feel like I've been on a week-long vacation.
Sometimes a few hours of focus are all we need.
Here's the gift bag with the tea and the gel.
I also added a small candle with the lavender scent.
I will light it tonight before I go to sleep.
It will remind you of the peace you found here today.
You have been a wonderful guide through this experience.
It was my pleasure to help you find your balance.
I am walking out into the sunshine with a happy heart.
Have a peaceful evening and enjoy your new routine.
Goodbye, Selena, and thank you for the serenity.
Goodbye, Mark. Stay calm and keep your spirit bright.